In Creo Parametric 13, there is an improvement to the way that you create chamfers and fillets in a sketch. In order to explain this, it would help if I show how you used to do this in Creo Parametric 12 and earlier. Okay, so here I am in sketch mode. I have sketched a rectangle. I threw on a couple different dimensions, and now I want to create, let's create a chamfer first. I will click on the chamfer command, and so let's say I try to pick a vertex. Well, if I try to pick the vertex, nothing is going to happen. You need to pick one line and the other line, and then the vertex is created. You'll notice I have two different dimensions here. I can go to the equal constraint and make this one and this one equal. That way I can end up with my chamfer that is like a 45 by D, and then I can throw on a dimension from here to here, and then middle mouse button. Let's change that to a value of 50. And so there it is. That's how you created chamfers in sketches in Creo 12. Now let's take a look at creating fillets. I'll go to fillets, and again, if I try to pick the vertex, well, that's not going to work. You need to pick one line and then the other line. In this case, we just end up with one radius value. Let me double click on the radius and punch in this value, and there I have it. So in Creo Parametric 12 and earlier, to create a chamfer or a fillet in a sketch, you had to pick two lines. You couldn't pick the vertices. All right, here I am in Creo Parametric 13, and you can probably figure out what the enhancement is. Now you can just pick the vertices for creating the entities. Let me click on the chamfer tool, and then I'll pick the vertex, and there we have our dimensional value. Let me hit middle mouse button so I can then double click on the dimensions and type in my value. Hey, there we go, that is good. Now let's create a fillet, and once again I can just pick the vertex, and there we have the fillet. Let me double click and then change the radius value, and it is updated. And one thing I like about this enhancement, as simple as it is, I bounce back and forth between a number of different CAD platforms, and in many of the other CAD platforms, hey, you can create a chamfer or a fillet in the sketch just by picking a vertex. And so now I don't have to remember, hey, this is how you do it in Creo.